Abuja is graced with beautiful landscape and vegetation. And in today's video, let's explore some of these beautiful green and nature places that are in Nigeria's capital city. Starting at number 1 is the National Children's Park and Zoo, located inside an army barrack in Asokoro. This place definitely has some of the best breathtaking nature view. You also find a body of water here, and the famous Aso Rock is just a meter away. So the national park is one place you should definitely check out if you're in Abuja, Nigeria. It's a great place for individuals and as well as families. You can come here with your family and have a really good time. This place is really calm. I mean, that's like the calmest place in Abuja, Nigeria. Number 2 is the Usman Dam, located in Buhari local government area. The experience of this place cannot be explained honestly. It is truly peaceful here, especially in the evening. The Usman Dam, which was built in the 90s, is one of the 4 operating dams that supplies the city with drinking water. This Usman Dam is really awesome because this is one place that you can come and chill out. In fact, it's hard to explain. You need to actually come here to understand how this whole place looks like. It's really massive and the whole place is so calm. There's one place actually you can come for picnic. Number 3 on our list is the Cyrus Parmentus, a botanical garden located in Metama district of Abuja. You will truly experience green and nature here, at the same time learn a thing or two about plants and trees. While you are at it, if you feel hungry, you can take a walk into the Cilantro restaurant. This is just located next to the garden. I've also done a video about this garden and you can check it out if you want to learn more about this place. Number 4 on our list is the Millennium Park, located in Metama. This is definitely one place you should check out, and it is the largest public park in Abuja, Nigeria. Number 5 on our list is the Ahmad Farm. Ahmad Farm is located in Kuje, which is just about 1 hour drive from the city center. Ahmad Farms is a private-owned investment. They engage in commercial production of vegetable, livestock grading, and hospitality. This place truly speaks nature and showcases African beautiful vegetation. There's a lot of great things you can enjoy in this place, and you can check out this video if you want to learn more about this place. Number 6 on our list is a Crush Rock. Crush Rock is an abandoned quarry site located in Pape. This is a great place to enjoy nature. Beside the mint green water that is formed at the bottom of the rock due to quarry activities, many people do come here to take pictures. This area because it provides this calm, solitary atmosphere where you can just enjoy your cool music that provides you some inspiration in the evening. But better still, if you know how to play any of the instruments like a guitar, you can climb into one of those rocks and just play your guitar and enjoy yourself. And number 7 on our list is the Jaby Lake Park. I've already done a couple of videos about this area, and it's definitely one of the best places to enjoy green nature in Abuja, Nigeria. You can take a walk at the park, you can take a horse ride, you can also do a boat ride if you want, or enjoy a great meal while enjoying the great view of the lake. Whatever you decide to do in Jaby Lake Park, you will not be disappointed. This is definitely one place that most people come to enjoy nature when they come to Abuja, Nigeria. Well, that's it on this video on Abuja Green and Nature Places. Hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.